It's time to spring clean your finances. Let's get into it before you head into the fun summer months. I'm Holly Coston, a portfolio manager with First National Wealth Management. Make checking in on the following items part of your spring cleaning. Do you know where your cash is flowing this year? Your dollars have to go somewhere. They're either spent, taxed, or saved. Are you setting aside enough for future tax payments? This could include your property taxes, income taxes, and more. Also, are you setting aside enough for any major expenses later in the year? A trip? Perhaps your holiday shopping? Do you have enough in your emergency cash savings? And are you taking advantage of any retirement plan savings, getting your full employer match on contributions? Don't play catch up this fall. Automate your savings today. Do you have any old accounts that could be consolidated and cleaned up, making your investments more trackable? We often see that clients do the right thing, but perhaps their contributions didn't get invested. There's that final important step of making sure that your $7,500 Roth contribution, for example, is not sitting in cash, but is put to work and growing the way you want it to. We've had some volatile market days, weeks, and months these last few years. During those times, were you able to sleep through the night? Did you feel like your allocation to the more growth-oriented side of investments and the more cautious side of investments feel appropriate? If not, it might be time to talk to your portfolio manager about a change. Let's talk about estate and protection. Are your assets titled the way you want them to be? Check the beneficiaries on your accounts and your insurance policies. If you got married, divorced, had a child, it's a good time to make sure that everyone is protected who you want to protect. I have run into before where a new spouse finds out that an old spouse is still listed on a life insurance policy, and this can lead to some awkward conversations. Try to get ahead of it. Do you have a will? How old is it? If it says that your 40-year-old child needs to go live with their aunt at your passing, it might be time for an update. Do you have enough coverage? I'm not just talking about life insurance. We're talking about protecting your earnings via disability coverage, talking about protecting your home, your business, and other assets such as your vehicle. Are there ways that we can increase your protection and decrease your cost? A lot can change in a few years. Have you made improvements on your property or your health? Perhaps you added a new roof. Perhaps you quit smoking. Get these things documented and ask your insurance agent if it's possible to reduce the current costs of your coverage. Are you getting tax advice? Many people file their own taxes or have a CPA file their taxes for them. But are you getting the kind of tax advice that can save you money decades in advance? Is your retirement income that is getting set up now tax efficient? Are you maximizing your gifting for taxes? There are large benefits to be had if you are charitably inclined, depending on how you do that gifting. You can meet with your tax advisor to check out what might be an option for you. Make a plan with your trusted banker, CPA, estate planning attorney, insurance agent, investment portfolio manager, so that you can enjoy the rest of the year. Have a great summer.